Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your PlayStation Network ID name on your PS5. So you can see I have this option right here to change it, and it costs $10, $9.99 in the United States. And you can see the last time I changed it right there. Now, to get here, you want to press the PlayStation button. Go on over to your profile, select this, then go all the way to the right to edit. Then go to name. Now, if you go to name, this is going to be your close friends. So anyone who you're close friends with will see your first name, your last name. This is your new, supposedly your real name. But go to online ID right here to change this. This is going to be represented in your games. And then your non-close friends. So just go through these permissions. And then if you got the PlayStation app on your phone, go ahead and just open that up right now. And then you can bypass this screen. Just hit approve on your screen. And then you don't have to sign in. And then we're going to be brought to the screen where we can change our online ID. So you can see the last time I changed mine was 2019. And it cost me, well, I think it was free the first time I did it. So if you haven't done it, check this out. Maybe you can just change it. And then we do have suggestions in the bottom. So we got one Pretty Frown, Motley Door, Suburban Covey. Some of these are not very good, but you can just hit square a couple times and see if you like any of these. Then go to confirm, and you're going to have to confirm your payment. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.